I invested too much time in video games and neglected numerous commitments and myself. Finally, I gave up on playing them last week. Now I sit in front of social media and YouTube all day. We spend time in video games for many reasons. Boredom, entertainment, to escape from reality, or to get a dopamine rush. Social media, memes, Netflix and YouTube meet very similar stimuli. Thus, these medias can easily replace video games. But watching animes for hours is not a suitable alternative for my problem. I needed solutions. The first and most primitive variant: block pages completely. Sites like Twitch just tempt me to think about video games again. Hours of scrolling meme pages just distract me and bring me no value. Such sites are currently only a hindrance and I've blocked them completely. By the way, this procedure also applies to my mobile phone. In fact, I blocked significantly more pages on this device. Restrict YouTube. I cannot block YouTube because I have to work with it every day. However, the danger of getting into a YouTube binge is great every time I open the YouTube starting page. That's why I use Unhook. This allows you to customize YouTube. For example, my starting page is empty. I have to actively search for videos and I'm not distracted by an exciting thumbnail. And now definitely my favorite among the recommendations: Stay Focused. This page allows you to set up a timer. I have only a certain amount of time on selected sites during a certain period of time. Once the timer expires, the entered pages are blocked. After the time period, however, I can surf these pages indefinitely. With these 3 extensions, I managed to get my media consumption under control. Now I can concentrate on my life, because there's a lot of catching up to do. In this story, I talk about my 25-year video game addiction and what influence video games have on my life. Don't make the same mistakes I did.